Before buying a wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, HJIN-HON Wireless HDMI. Let's kick things off with the HJIN-HON Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, priced at $62.69. What caught my attention was its impressive 360 FT range and 4K decode capabilities. If you want seamless video streaming without the hassle of cables, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. First off, it decodes 4K input and outputs at 1080p at 60 Hz. This means when you're watching a game or a movie, the clarity is stunning, and you won't miss any detail, even from a distance. It also features a unique cooling design, which keeps it from overheating and ensures a stable connection. Plus, with the dual-band technology, you can transmit signals up to 360 FT outdoors, making it perfect for large spaces. The ultra-low latency is a game-changer for live presentations or gaming, ensuring everything syncs perfectly. Now, some people complained about the need for a power source for both the transmitter and receiver. Here's the thing though. While it may seem like an inconvenience, it's a common requirement for these devices to operate effectively. If you're someone who doesn't mind a bit of extra setup, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable solution for home entertainment or professional presentations. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra portable, since it requires a power connection. But honestly, for the price and features, it's a solid value. Now, if the power source concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Future Eagle Wireless HDMI. We have the Future Eagle Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, priced at $39.99. What really stood out to me was its ultra-long range of 328 feet and its portability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports 4K decoding but outputs at 1080p with a refresh rate of 60 Hz, ideal for everything from gaming to business presentations. The plug-and-play functionality means you can set it up in just 3 seconds, no Wi-Fi or complicated setup. And with the LED display, you can easily monitor your connection status, making troubleshooting a breeze. The 5G plus 2.4G dual-band transmission enhances signal stability, which is a must for larger spaces. However, a few reviews mention that the connectivity can be spotty in very large areas. I'll be real with you, the range is good, but if you're in an exceptionally big room with lots of obstacles, you might run into issues. But for most home or office setups, it should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable option for presentations or streaming without dealing with wires. Skip this one if you're in a super large space where signal strength might be a concern. Overall, it's a great value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 3, FWTAOU Wireless HDMI. Let's talk about the FWTAOU Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver for $59.99. Its combination of 328 feet range with 4K decoding caught my eye right away. If you want something that balances quality and distance, this is definitely worth a look. What's impressive here is that it also offers zero latency technology, meaning you won't experience any lag while streaming or gaming. This is crucial for any kind of live action. Every millisecond counts. Plus, it supports both mirroring and extended display modes, which makes it adaptable for various scenarios. The portability is a big plus too. It's lightweight enough for travel, making it a good fit if you're constantly on the go. However, some users reported that the setup process can be tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it runs smoothly. If you're someone who prefers plug-and-play simplicity, this might not be the best fit initially, but if you're willing to invest a little time, it pays off. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler or need to present in different locations. Skip this one if you want a device that's ready to go right out of the box without any fuss. It offers excellent value for those who want quality without compromise. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features, the next product ramps things up. Product number 4, ANJCTDD Wireless HDMI. The fourth contender is the ANJCTDD Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, priced at $59.99. This one promises an impressive 165 feet indoor range with 4K decoding. If you're focused on indoor use without much fuss, this one could fit your needs well. This device boasts almost zero lag at just 0.01 seconds, making it fantastic for presentations or gaming. It delivers 1080p output at 60 Hz, which is perfect for ensuring that your visuals are clear and smooth. Plus, the plug-and-play feature means you can easily get started without any complicated setup. The compact design makes it easy to travel with, which is a huge win for business trips or outdoor events. Some users did mention that the indoor range might not be as expansive as advertised, especially if there are several walls in the way. But here's the thing, it still works well for most standard home setups and doesn't require a complicated installation process. If you're in a small to medium-sized room, you'll likely have a great experience. This is perfect for you if your primary use is indoors, perhaps for teaching or small meetings. Skip this one if you need something for a large outdoor area where the signal might struggle. For the price, it's a very reasonable choice. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the final product on my list has some exciting features. Product number 5, FWTAOU Premium Wireless HDMI. We have the FWTAOU Premium Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, priced at $64.99. This one has a similar range as others, but offers some extra features that caught my attention. If you're after a premium feel with solid performance, you might want to check this out. It also uses 5G plus 2.4G dual-band technology, which improves connectivity in demanding environments. The zero latency feature ensures you can enjoy games or live events without any buffering. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, which is perfect for anyone needing to take it on the road. The ability to switch between mirroring and extended display modes adds versatility, making it great for both work and play. However, some users found the price to be a bit steep compared to other options. Honestly, while it is pricier, the reliability and advanced features justify the cost if you need something that won't let you down during important moments. This is perfect for professionals who need a dependable setup for meetings or events. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need something basic, but if you can swing it, the quality makes it worth every penny. We've looked at some solid options in the wireless HDMI market. The HSJI Enhong is great for long-range needs, while the Future Eagle offers a budget-friendly entry. The FWTAO gives you excellent quality and features, and the ANJCTD is ideal for indoor use. Finally, if you need premium performance, the FWTAO Premium is a fantastic choice. Whichever you choose, you can finally say goodbye to those pesky cables.